Hey guys, what's up? We're just getting ready to go eat dinner. We got our jackets on. There's Faith. We're gonna go to Freebirds, courtesy of Bryan Lanning. Yeah, he suggested it, and we're gonna go try it out, and we'll let you guys know how it is. There's the wife right there, getting ready to go. So yeah, so we'll see how this goes. So if you can't tell, we're on our way to Freebirds, courtesy of Bryan Lanning. You can follow him in the link below. Yeah, he's a great guy. We're going there to try it out. We've never been there. We've always been to Chipotle, and Chipotle is good, but I've heard this is better. So we're gonna try it out and see how it goes. So yeah. Hey everyone, I'd like you to meet somebody. I don't think she's gonna be shy this time. Look. My beautiful wife Cassie over there. Yeah, there she is. She's actually not being shy. And there it is. Bird World Burritos. Here we go. We're gonna try it out. The place looks amazing. Hopefully.
So here we are at the unwrapping of the Freebird deliciousness.
Even Faith gets some Freebird burrito. Is that delicious? Yum, yum. The wife got some chicken tacos. Looks delicious. Very yummy, and some cheese and chips. It was a taco combo. Yeah. So apparently there's some foil designs over here, and we're supposed to make something, put it on the wall. See, there's some designs over there. So guess what I made? YouTube video screen. Yeah, buddy. That's what I just did. Yeah. Hey guys, sorry I haven't got done a video up in a couple days. I was gonna do one yesterday, but I got some footage, but it wasn't the right footage, so I had to wait till today to do some new footage. So anyways, my day yesterday, it was a crazy day. I woke up, went to work, and everyone had a case of the Mondays. I guess everyone it might have been a full moon or something, I don't know, but everyone was not in a good mood. And then I got off work, and then I went to go do my other job, and then I had car troubles. And with my other job, I'm a driver's ed instructor, and I can't, I need a car to go do my driver's ed teaching, but I was having car issues, so it had to go in the shop. So yeah, and then today went to work, and everyone was in a better mood, so it was good. And then came home. Still, the car's in the shop, so I'm not able to work, so we just hung out with family at home, the wife and the daughter, and we went to Freebirds. So we're home now from Walmart and Freebirds. That stuff was delicious. Brian, thumbs up for you, buddy. That's some good stuff there. So yeah, we're just hanging out at home. I think we're gonna watch the president speak tonight. So that about wraps it up. Make sure you click right there and subscribe, and also you can like my video down there and give me a comment. Let me know what you're doing. What's your favorite burrito place? So yeah, so have a good night. Talk to you later. God bless.